Python lists are good, but NumPy arrays are next level. I will show you exactly how to create them the right way. Stay till the end. Why NumPy arrays? NumPy arrays are faster, more memory efficient, and essential for data science, machine learning, and numerical computing. Three powerful ways to create NumPy arrays from a Python list. Let's start by converting a simple Python list into a NumPy array. Input NumPy as np. Array equal np.array 1, 2, 3. Print array. Save and run. 1, 2, 3. This creates a one-dimensional NumPy array with values 1, 2, and 3. You now have access to fast vectorized operations using zeros, ones, and full. Now let's create arrays with default values using built-in NumPy functions. np.zeros 3. A equal np.zeros 3. B equal np.ones 4. C equal np.full 3, 7. Print A. Save and run. Okay. 0, 0, 0. Zeros 3 creates an array of 3 zeros. Print B. Save and run. 1, 1, 1, 1. Once 4 gives 4 ones. Print C. Save and run. 7, 7, 7. And full 3, 7 creates an array of size 3 filled with 7s. Great for initializing arrays quickly. Using arrange and linspace. Let's create arrays with sequence or evenly spaced values. np.arange 1, 10, 2. Let's take A equal np.arange. B equal np.linspace 0, 1, 5. Print A. Save and run. We got 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Arrange 1, 10, 2 starts at 1 and skips by 2, giving us odd number till 9. Print B. Save and run. Linspace 0, 1, 5 divides the range from 0 to 1 into 5 evenly spaced values, perfect for plotting or scaling. Quick recap: from list, from placeholders, from range. That's how you create NumPy arrays the smart way. Like this, then smash like and subscribe to Master of Data Science.